This year I'm going to graduate. I'm a medical student. My major is midwifery and nursing. I'm an English teacher in part-time job. And also I'm working in HPE company for order processing agent.
Nice. And if you don't mind me asking, which city do you live in?
大连.
Oh, you live in Dalian. You live on the
Yes.
coast next to the beaches.
Yes. Like beside of
Nice.
my building is seaside.
Nice. One of my students was from Dalian. Are you
Dalian
from
is not
Dalian?
no, I'm from Nanjing, but my
Awesome.
university is in Dalian Medical University. So I'm here to work.
That's really cool.
Yes, and I'm going to change my major to education. I applied the Hong Kong Educational University and I got offer there. So this year I'm going there to study another major. Like I don't want to study medical anymore. Like it's
Nice.
enough.
Let it go. Move on.
Yes, it's really hard for me.
Sometimes we thought we would be interested in something, but in life, sometimes we change our mind.
Like sometimes when we go to the new environment, it suddenly you feel like this is not fit for you. Like you want to change this.
And there's absolutely nothing wrong with that. We all go through our ups and downs.
Yes. Like roller
Are you
coaster.
are you cold?
Yes, like, I don't know why, like Chinese people, especially me, like when the summer come, we like to open the air conditioner. Then we like to have this. It's like, how do you say, it's not fair. We like doing these things to show other people like we're cold in summer.
Got you. Okay. To show other people that we're cold in summer. Ha.